Kenya mzima, Elgeyo Marakwet, Chepkorio Division, Kapkendal Sublocation na Chepsamu pale Kiptum natoka. Tulikuwa hata sijui nitasema nini, lakini wacha Mungu tu, kama tumefanya makosa Mungu asamehe sisi, sababu Kiptum pale angeenda Mungu peke yake angejua, lakini tunasema pole sana kwa family pamoja na watu ya Kenya mzima.
I'm John Kimeli, MC of the area. I want to say sorry to the family and the athletic fraternity. This state is unbelievable for us. I didn't believe until I went to the scene, and I said I have to follow the bodies to here to say only pole to the family and the people that we represent from the area of Chepkorio and Kaptaraka wards and the entire county of Elgeyo Marakwet and also Kenya at large. Pole sana.
We just want to ask the rest of the members of the country to pray for the family of the departed heroes, and that we shall have peace in our hearts. We shall also join hands with the family and the sporting fraternity to ensure that Klevin Kiptum and his coach get a decent send off from the day side of us. We want to say poleni sana to the Kenyans and much more to the family of the departed hero. Poleni sana.